boys, here's one I've dug up out of the mothballs. One of my old favorites, the X300. I haven't flown this thing in been a while, man. This has an optical flow sensor right there. 720p video, so it says. And this was a good flyer. I really loved this thing when I got. This was one of my first, decent little quads. I haven't flown it in a long time. I just want to take it for a quickie. It's been a while, let's put it that way. Do the calibration just down and to the left. It says an awfully big transmitter. Okay. Let's start some video up. And fire it up. Now this one here, the optical flow sensor on this thing always acted a little goofy right when you first took off. It always took a while for it to get situated. You don't want to drift back. There's no wind out here at all, so. It's almost like coming back on its own. You put it in the higher rate here. This thing will also do those little double flip deals. And there it did it right there. It's sure dancing around a lot, I can tell you that. It's not being it's not being very responsive, I can tell you. You see how it's doing all that bobbing and weaving? Trying to get away from me, huh? Not working. It has a headless mode, but I don't use it. It's one of them ones that has that annoying ass beep in there. So, unless you want to go into the... You see it's drifting backwards a lot toward me constantly. So I tried to trim it out, but it's not coming out of there, so I don't know. Got to keep my eye on this graduation party over here. Make sure a bunch of kids don't show up. Start farting around with the XK. Look at that thing, man. I see one of the lights is burned out on it too, or two of them actually. Or no, one of them. Yeah, the back green one. That's like on my Breeze is the same way. I think I did crash this thing once, but it wasn't a hard. It was up at that other park. It wasn't, you know, like a hard crash or anything. It was a little mild crash. Yeah, this thing's really acting weird. I don't know. Maybe it's because I never fly it. I don't know. It's been at least 8 months, I think, since I've flown this thing. Yeah, at least. That would be my guess. 8 months, 9 months, something like that. Well, when I got it, I thought it was great, okay? Now, not so much, okay? Now, they have a new version. They discontinued this a long time ago. I think when I bought it, they had actually... Oh, there's the lights back on now. So it must have a little booger in it. But they have a GPS model of this now. But I'm not going to get it. Like I said, when I first got this thing, I thought it was great, but now not so much. It's very... kind of wonky, you know. It doesn't fly like I remember it flying. Of course, that could be just me. I remember one of the first flights I ever did with it. I got a lot of flight time out of it. I think it was at least 15 minutes from what I remember. At least 15 minutes, maybe 18. Because it was a video I did absolutely eons ago. I was actually younger then, like 58. All right, boys, I've had enough of this thing. Guess it'll just go back up on the shelf. It flies good. It's just a little, I don't know, just dancing around a lot, very erratic. I guess it's all right, though. Now I couldn't reach the pad because the way it was jumping around so much. I don't know if the video worked either, because when I looked down, the video wasn't recording. So that's kind of bogus. So let me take it back up for 5 seconds just to get some video out of it. At least you can see the video quality. I know the battery's getting low because I saw the indicator. It's one of them ones with the 4 lights on the back deal. There's that green light's out again. So there must be some kind of short going on in that thing. Let's get a couple spins around the park here on the video. The video's still recording. All right. Trying to drop this on here. Get down there, damn it. That thing's trying to light. It's like trying to land the lunar module. Oh, I thought that was funny, you know. Sometimes I laugh at my own jokes, you know. But anyway. Yeah. Flew pretty good. Not too shabby. Battery's a little warm. Motors are cool as a cucumber. They're all enclosed in here. Oh, this one's kind of warm. Right here. Yeah. But hey, you know, it is what it is. All right, boys. Thanks for watching the X300. It used to be a legend, and now it basically just sits on the shelf. But I just had to dig it out for old time's sake.